How's it going? Today, the video we're doing, first time I've served as a creative director on the spot where I wasn't also directing, or at least shooting. So in this instance, I'm on set with the team. We hired a director, a young kid named Thorne, great guy, and a young DP named Noah, also a great guy. And we're giving them their shot to do this spot for us. The tricky part about this whole process has been the fact that I have to take my hands off of things and let them attempt to solve it on their own. And I don't know how many of you have been a creative director on a spot before, but it is weird to stand back. So part of this is a mild apology to all my clients, past, present, future, wherever you may be. If I've ever been a douche nozzle as a director to the agency side, I now understand. I think the uptick that I have going for me is that I know how to at least communicate to the filmmaker as opposed to what some of the other ones do. But I'm just going to give you a quick brief behind the scenes effect on how we did this. Once the spot's done, I'll put it up there and maybe have a secondary set of conversation. But here is that video. And we'll see. I'll check in with you in a second.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where. I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George. I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse. I'm ready for war. I'm coming for throats to turn to a ghost.
You guys might remember Jeremy Sandy.
What's up, gang?
He was in Heirloom, one of the first HDR shorts ever created. This is young Ryan. Ryan hasn't even graduated college, have you, Ryan?
I have not. In December. Whippersnapper.
I have the YouTuber style microphone for interviews.
Wow, you're moving up, dude.
Yeah, I'm fancy now. So how's the process been working for a young, inexperienced director?
Yeah.
I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence, then let them in talk.
That's great. I've known Thorne for a couple of years now, so like seeing him move up and direct now is really cool because he was second AC, I think, when we met. Something lower down on the totem pole. Just kind of cool.
Yeah, it's about giving young people a chance, like Ryan.
Happy to be here. But not so much of a chance that they take our jobs away from us.
Also accurate, you're fired.
They body another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on their toes. Stay in your lane, how to stay on the go. I can play with the pros and act like a...
I want to give a note so bad right now. Just want to give a note. Not going to give one. Not doing it.
Rookies, so they overlook me, they not double up again, none of their nose, none of them cold. They just got lucky but never adapted, so I'm to the one if it's coming to blows. My enemies cutting it close, I let them think that they got me, but what do you know? I had them beat before.
Young guys are struggling for a shot. They can't figure out how to adjust the placement of the actor. But instead of simply just moving the actor to the left slightly, they could create a dirty over and maintain the same shot. But they haven't figured that out yet, so I'm just gonna let them struggle for a little while. Because I guess that's what you do as a creative director, is let people struggle? Not sure.
We ever spoke, I'm ready for smoke. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where. I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me.
One of the challenges I'm having now is it's frankly easy for all of us to criticize somebody else's work, to zing them, to tear them apart, especially in the moment. But it's more of the approach of how do you approach it where you can give them inspiration to do better and potentially grow, which is what I'm hoping works out with these guys. And again, I'm being hard on them because I can. I'm not down on their work. I haven't seen the edited spot. But then there's some stuff you see that's little nuanced stuff of flatter background. I'm looking for more dynamic angles, a little more thought process into those vibes and putting that together. But again, it's a good spot for them to learn, for me to learn. And I think that's the whole point of growth, is putting it together. But it is definitely hardest cuss word. Hardest cuss word.
I need to know everything.
Also, the last little bit of this video is, in what world does the creative director and the lead production producer, production manager pack up all the equipment while people are still filming? This world. That's why. Because at the end of the day, we just want to go home, but we want to get a good product, so we let the other people do their job. It's been a very telling thing. Very telling.